Hey friends, and happy new year. I haven't seen you guys in a while. I took a long break for the Christmas holidays, and I'm finally back, so I wanted to start this studio vlog up again. I hope that you all had really good holidays. I know it's a little bit past that now by the time you're seeing this, but I still hope that you did. I got so much needed rest and a much needed break, and I'm feeling so much better now. and I'm all ready to get back into making stuff and drawing. And well, I've been drawing, but you know, making things and reopening my shop and everything like that. So actually today I am reopening my shop at noon, so in an hour-ish, and I'm going to have a 25% off sale until Valentine's Day, so until February 14th. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you know that I've had kind of a change in my style lately, and I'm really happy with it so far, and I've been really feeling much more creative with the choices I've been making with my art. And I guess one of my goals for 2021 is to practice being more myself and figuring out what I like, which is strange, I guess, to talk about, but yeah, I've been on a journey of self-discovery really, and lately I've been just kind of trying to let myself be, just do whatever I like and not worry about should I be doing this, should I be doing that, will people like it, will people not like it, etc. And so yeah, I've really been enjoying the more dark-ish, spooky, black and white for the most part art. I've been having a lot of fun with it. I have so many ideas, and I'm really enjoying it, and it's making me really happy. So I hope that you guys still like the art that I'm making. If you don't, that's fine, you know, it's subjective. But I hope that you'll continue following anyway. But yes, so I am reopening my shop today so that I can sell some of my inventory. I still have a few things left from, I don't know when I did the last update, maybe it was November. So I'd like to sell that stuff so that I can revamp my shop and get it all ready with my new things. I have so many ideas for new projects and new things I want to sell in the shop. I also am thinking of starting to outsource some of my products instead of making everything in-house. I just think it might be easier, particularly with my art prints. I just feel like the quality of my prints that I can make at home isn't as good as it could be, and so I'm kind of looking at maybe outsourcing that. I've been looking at it this morning, how much it would cost and whether or not it's worth it. So I think I might maybe place one order for one print and just see how it goes, and then get more. Yeah, but I think it would just save me on ink, and then I could have better quality paper, better quality prints for you guys. I think that'd make me much happier. I'm just concerned about the quality. It's not really up to the standard I would like, and also it just takes me forever to print art prints, and those tend to be one of my most popular items in my shop, which I like. I'd actually like to be able to sell more art prints because making stickers isn't my favorite part of the process. I like it, but I prefer to make more prints. So yeah, that's something that will be coming soon. But everything in the shop is going to be 25% off, and hopefully I can sell the rest of my inventory so that we can change everything up. I'm going to have like a new logo, new background, new cards. Filmed a tiny little bit of me working on this yesterday, but I really want to finish the piece I'm working on today. I don't know if you can see, it's like a library scene. Let me get the rest of the sketch up. It's kind of fade, like I've turned down the opacity, but it's like a spooky library. You can't really see it, but you'll see when I'm drawing it. I'm having a lot of fun with it, and I really want to finish that today. That's kind of the goal. I did also want to do some traditional painting today, but I really don't think I'm gonna have time for that, and I don't want to push myself. So yeah, but I do want to get back into doing some more traditional painting around Christmas time. I got myself this new sketchbook, which I'm not going to use as like an ugly sketchbook, because it has this really nice quality paper that's good for like painting and for really thick markers. So you can see it does bleed through, but I think this is really good quality paper for that. So I'd like to do more like painting type stuff in this sketchbook. I did do this drawing, which I never posted, but I really like her. She's like a warrior looking sad, you know. But yeah, so I'm hoping that this year I can spend some more time not only doing digital, but like doing some gouache and watercolor in this sketchbook. Although maybe not watercolor, I'm not sure how well that would work on this paper, but definitely gouache. So yeah, and these are some of the stickers from the art trade I did with Clumsy Nugget. So cute.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you.
Hello. I just finished work, my full-time job, and I'm very tired. My job's been really busy lately, especially after the winter break, so I'm tired. And I'm trying to only have one coffee per day, which today's the first day I'm trying to do that. So I'm very tired, sleepy. I already got a bunch of new orders since I reopened my shop with my sale, so I want to pack those today because I don't know if anybody else who has a shop feels this way, but I don't like the orders to sit there, I guess. I want the people who ordered something to get the notification right away that it's been sent out, so they don't have to wait. And like, yeah, even though my shop says 3 to 5 days, I think for some of them it's almost been 3 anyway, but I just want to get it done. It gives me peace of mind, you know, once a few pile up, I need to get them done. So yeah, but then I also realized that I only had my thank you cards from the holidays, and I forgot, I'm gonna take this off. I forgot that I need to make new thank you cards. I already designed the thank you cards a long time ago, but then the holiday season came, and so I made the holiday version, but I still have the, like, my old style thank you cards, which is good because what I'm sending out with the anything bought in the sale before I kind of revamp my shop will be in my old style, just because I don't know, some people might be ordering stuff because they enjoy my old style better, so I want them to also get the thank you card in the old style and that kind of thing, in case they don't like the new stuff, that they're getting what they expected. So yeah, I have to print out the new thank you cards today, and I have a few prints that I still need to print out that I thought I had in stock, but I guess not. A part of the learning process of opening my shop is that I don't always have the inventory that I put onto my Etsy shop, which is bad because it means that when I get orders, I need to typically create something new. Or not something new, but like create more of something, and it's just annoying because when I pack orders, it's much easier if I just have all the items and I can put them together. So that's something when I reopen my shop, I'm going to make sure that the inventory on Etsy is the inventory I currently have, so that I don't encounter this situation and I can just do restocks as I need to. Yeah, that's the plan for today. I also have to cook dinner. I was gonna work out today, but I don't think that's gonna happen because I'm so tired and I think I need a break. So I'm gonna do this stuff, and then I think I'm gonna play Zelda later because I think I deserve it. Oh, and my battery is flashing. Okay, let's get to work. in case you're someone who also has a shop, a little tip that I have learned is that, for example, this print is white at the top, and then so when I am actually printing it out to cut it, if I printed it just the way it is, it's difficult to see where the print would end and where I should cut. So what I just did is I put a little rectangle in Photoshop behind the print, just where I would need it, because I didn't want to waste ink. And then so that way I have a guide when I'm cutting it out that these are the corners and then this is the line of where the white should end. That way it will be the correct size when you cut it, and you don't have to wonder where the lines should, and that way you don't have to wonder where the cuts should go, because you just follow the guide here. Just a little tidbit, because the first time I printed them out, I didn't realize that I should do that. Yeah. I don't know if that'll help anyone. I wanted to share. Well, also, I've had a ton of questions on Instagram and stuff about my keyboard. I got this on Amazon, and it's like a typewriter style keyboard. I love it. It's just very loud. But yeah, I just got it on Amazon. If you type in like cute pink keyboard or something, you'll probably find it. A lot of people are asking me about that. Done. That took about an hour. Not too bad considering I had to make a bunch of stuff. I'm tired and it's so hot in my apartment right now. Oh, you'd think I don't live in Canada with the shorts and t-shirts I wear in the house, but my partner really likes to keep it warm in the house, and then I've just gotten used to it since we lived together up there for so long, so now I keep it hot in the house too. And yeah. It is now getting dark and I'm exhausted, but I wanted to thank everyone who's already ordered from the sale. I'm so excited. The whole time I was like packaging, I was just thinking about like what my new packaging could look like, my new stickers like for packing and everything, because I will be changing things up a little bit. I also would like to note that I know I use a lot of plastic at the moment. This is just kind of what I went with when I started, but I think I'm going to try to switch to more paper packaging, or like, I know a lot of people use glassine and things like that. Future, once I've used it all up, then I can figure out an alternative to using so much plastic. Initially I thought I would really just like the way it looked, which I do like the way the plastic packages look on the prints. I just think it looks very professional, but at the same time it is a lot of plastic and I don't want to do that. And I also have to order them online and it takes a long time for them to arrive anyway. So I think, I don't know, glassine would be better, or I've been using these to package stickers. They're just like a paper bag, I guess, but they're recyclable. So I would like to get something like this that's bigger for the prints, or I don't know, something similar. Or I might just wrap them in tissue paper in the future. I don't know. I just want to make sure that everything looks very professional and that everything arrives to people's houses okay, and that people are content with the package they are receiving and feel like it is what they expected and that it is worth their money. So I want to make sure that the packaging is nice and keeps the products safe from the elements and that kind of thing. I now have a ton of stuff to get rid of, a ton of just, when I'm working I just create a mess around me, so I need to clean up. And then I'm gonna hang out for a while before I cook dinner because I'm too tired. I need a break. And also I want to do some drawing though, so I might just like hang out on the couch, watch some TV, and draw a little bit. That sounds good. Or I will play Zelda. That sounds good too.
You out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair because I'm so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're what I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair because I'm so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there?
Hey. It's, what day is it today? It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm so out of it today, to be honest, and I don't feel super well, but I'm still working today, and my brain is fried. I've been working in spreadsheets all day. Still have a few more hours of work, but I'm taking a little break to just lie here for a second. Just, you know, not feeling the best today. Cramps and all that. On the plus side, it's a beautiful sunny day today. Cold, but beautiful. I wish I had somewhere to go, or that I could go outside. Like, I guess I could go for a walk, but also I don't feel well, so I don't really feel like doing anything. But it is really nice that it's sunny today. My city where I live, typically in the winter, is super rainy and miserable, and like dark and cloudy or rainy almost every day. So the sunny days are really, really nice. It's actually making me more productive today too, because I guess this puts me in a better mood, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, I think when I'm done work, I'm going to run myself a bath, because that sounds really nice. I need to relax a little bit.